Hi everyone, welcome to the Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do a Napolitan pasta. So you can call Napoli sauce pasta or Napolitan pasta. It's a vegetarian meal. Let's see how we're gonna make the Napoli pasta. So I'm gonna introduce the ingredients now. So let's see what are the ingredients we need. In your channel you can find it out how to make the Napolitan sauce. And handful of parmesan cheese and 3 cloves of garlic, half of onion and half a handful of spinach. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slice the onion and the garlic now. So I chop them up and get the skin off. So I'm gonna chop them finely. Now I'm gonna slice the onion. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna saute the onion and garlic from the pan. So let's see how we're gonna do that one. So I'm gonna use my heated pan and I'm gonna add some olive oil. You can use any oil you want, it's up to you guys. And then I'm gonna add onion and garlic together. Let onion and garlic get brown. Just fry them for a couple of minutes. Then you're gonna add the Napolitan sauce, 350 ml of Napolitan sauce. I'm gonna wash it off the sauces from my saucepan. So I'm gonna mix it well. Let the Napolitan sauce boil first. So you make sure you add salt and pepper according to your taste. That gives you more flavor to your pasta. And as always, Napolitan sauce is a bit tangy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some sugar into it. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar. As this one boils, what are you gonna do? You're gonna get the cooked pasta. If it is cold, you have to microwave it or you have to put in a pot and make it hot again. Otherwise, you know, the flavors of the sauce not gonna stick to the pasta. So you make sure you heat it up the pasta, then it won't be soggy. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna add penne pasta, hot and cooked penne pasta, and then you're gonna mix it well. Let the pasta absorb the sauce. Now cook it for a couple of minutes and give a nice mix. As you see that the sauce is stick to the pasta. So what I'm gonna do, it's about to serve. You're gonna add spinach into it and give a nice mix. Make sure you do not overcook the spinach. And put a little bit of cheese. If you are vegan, you don't have to put the cheese, but if you put the cheese, it's gonna give you a nice flavor. So it's ready to serve now. I'm gonna get rid of from the burners. I'm gonna place up in the pasta bowl. Look at that cheese, melted cheese dripping out, and the color, it's perfect. Napolitan sauce is absolutely nice. If you follow my link, how to make the Napolitan sauce, you can find it out. And then I'm gonna place some parmesan cheese on top. Look at that, how perfectly it's in the color balance. The cheese, the look is perfect. The pasta perfectly cooked. And you can see the spinach. And there's no meat. This is a vegan and vegetarian meal. Guys, look this. This is absolutely stunning meal. So I'm gonna taste this one first. Wow. It's really nice. Look, it's really yum. So you can make this on very short period of time. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do comment under my videos and please do subscribe Cooking with the Brown Chef. That would be the great help you can do to me. So I'm gonna see you with a different video. Until then, see you. Bye. Cheers.